Good morning, students of class 3. Students, those of you who have got English grammar books, please take out your English grammar books. Today, I'll be continuing Unit 6, Verbs is, am, are. Please take out your grammar books and turn to page number 26 of your English grammar books. Unit 6, Verbs is, am, are. Students, today I'll be revising verbs is, am, are and then explaining the exercise of unit 6. Students, first let's talk about verbs. What are verbs? You know that a verb is a doing word. Whatever we do, that is verb. All our actions, the words which tells about our actions, what we are doing, all those words are verbs. Verbs tell us what a person or thing is, what a person or thing does, or what a person or thing has. So, what does verb tells us? What a person or thing is, what a person or thing does, or what a person or thing has. So, verb expresses what a person is, what a person does, and what a person or thing has. So, verb tells us about our actions. So, we call them doing words. Whatever we do, words which tell about our actions, they are verbs. Now, students, verbs we'll be talking about verbs is, am, are. And is, am, are helping verbs. Means they help the main verb to complete the meaning of the sentence. Is, am, are, they are the helping words. They help. Why they are called helping verbs? Because they help the verb to complete the meaning in a sentence. And is, am, are, they are also known as now words because they tell about the present. We always use is, am, are with the present now. So that is the reason is, am, are also called now words because they tell us about the present. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are all action words, doing words. They tell us what a person or thing is, what a person or thing does, or what a person or thing has. So, they are known as doing verbs or action verbs. And today we'll be revising our now words. Which are the three now words? Is, am, are. They are also known as helping verbs because they help the main verb to complete the meaning of the sentence, and they are called now words because they talk about the present. Now let's start with students is. Let's start with is. Student, we use is with all singular nouns and pronouns. बेटा ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है is जो है singular nouns and pronouns के साथ use होता है. Is used after a noun or pronoun. ये कोई भी noun और pronoun के बाद में use होता है. For example, he is, Rajan is, she is, Garima is, this is, that is, it is. So, ये हमेशा सिंगुलर नाउन या प्रोनाउन के संग भी यूज इज एंड इज हमेशा नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बाद आता है. बट जब हम क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करेंगे इस हेल्पिंग वर्ब से तब इससे विल बिगिन द क्वेश्चन. और बेटा इसके 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं. इसके 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं. कौन कौन से इसके 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं? इसके 5 फ्रेंड्स का नेम है ही, शी, इट, दिस, that. इसके 5 friends कौन है बेटा? He, she, it, this, that. These are the 5 friends of is, and is used with these 5 words. That is he, she, it, this, that. And is always used for singular things. So is used for one person, one object, one place, or one animal. Is used for one person, one object, or one animal. So is has got 5 friends, and the name of 5 friends of is are he, she, it, this, that. ये 5 फ्रेंड्स है बेटा इसके, और इनके अलावा इस किसके संग यूज करता है? नेम ऑफ वन पर्सन, कोई भी वन पर्सन का नेम आएगा. हाँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रश्मि इज, गरिमा इज, मयंक इज, कृतार्थ इज. तो हम वन पर्सन का नेम ले रहे हैं तो उनके संग बेटा क्या आएगा? इज. कोई भी वन प्लेस का नाम हम लेंगे, लखनऊ इज, मुंबई इज, न्यूयॉर्क इज. तो कोई भी वन पर्सन का नेम के संग कौन सा बेटा हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? इज. कोई भी वन प्लेस के साथ हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे बेटा? इज. एंड वन एनिमल या वन बर्ड है ना, तो उसके संग भी हम इज यूज करेंगे. द स्पैरो इज, द एलिफेंट इज, द लायन इज, द डक इज, द बी इज. तो कोई भी वन एनिमल, वन पर्सन, वन प्लेस हो तो बेटा हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? इज. और कोई भी वन थिंग हो, ऑब्जेक्ट हो, उसके साथ भी हम इज ही यूज करेंगे. द फैन इज, द लैम्प इज, द टेबल इज, anything. The cap is, the book is. So remember, is किसके साथ यूज होता है बेटा? All singular nouns and pronouns. और generally statements and simple sentences में is हमेशा noun और pronoun के बेटा बाद में आता है. और इसके 5 friends कौन से हैं बेटा? He is, she is, it is, this is, that is. So remember the 5 friends of is. Now students, we'll once again read the sentences. Rahul is a smart boy. With Rahul, we have used the verb, helping verb is. Second, he is a student. With he, as I told, he is the friend of his. So we always use is with he. Then third, my mother is having green tea. My mother, we are talking about my mother, and we have only one mother. As said, is used with one person. So with my mother, we'll be using the helping verb is. Fourth, there is a pen in my pocket. A pen. Students, after is, can you see a pen? So with all one objects, we'll be using is. It could be a pencil, a pen, an eraser, anything. With all one objects, we'll be using is. Now, fifth, this book is interesting. As I said, this is also a friend of his. So with this, wherever you see the word this, you always remember that this is the friend of is, and we have to use is with this. So this book is interesting. This story is interesting. This lamp is big. This cap is yellow. So this is friend of is. So with he, she, it, this, that, we always use the helping verb is. Sixth, it is my favorite show. It is also the friend of is. So with all the sentences having it, we'll be using the helping verb is. Now the seventh one. That car is mine. Students, that is also a friend of it. So all the sentences having that. That car is mine. That mango is ripe. That apple is sweet. That girl is tall. So with all the sentences having that, we will be using the helping verb is. Now, Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Mr. Narendra Modi, name of one person. So we'll be using the helping verb is. Where is he going? Now, in this sentence, can you see he after is? So you need to remember that he, she, it, this, that. Wherever these five words are there, they are the friend of is. So we need to use is with these five words. So please let's again revise the five friends of is. He, she, it, this, that. Now students, we'll move on to the helping verb am. As I said, am has got only one friend. And what is the name of am's friend? I. Am says I like to be only with I. I am I. ये दोनों सबसे अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं. एंड एम सेज मैं तो बस आई के साथ ही रहूंगा. आई विल नॉट गो विथ he is, she, this, that. मैं इनके साथ तो नहीं जाऊंगा. I'll only remain with I. तो बेटा am हमेशा किसके साथ हम यूज करते हैं? I. I am I am I. These are the two best friends. Okay. Now let's look at the sentences. Now all the sentences are having I. So you can see all sentences are having M because M likes to stay with I only. Let's read the first sentence. I am going to the Mughal garden. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to play in the garden. So with I, we will only use M because M is the best friend of I and he says, मुझे तो बस I के साथ ही रहना है. तो बेटा I जहां भी होगा आप कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? am. I am fond of flowers. I am fond of chocolates. I am fond of sweets. Isn't it? तो I के साथ हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे बेटा? am. Third, I am upset right now. I am sleeping right now. I am eating right now. I am playing right now. So with I, we'll be using the helping verb am. Fourth, I am ready to help you. I am ready to play with you. I am ready to go to school. I am ready to take a bath. So with I, we will be using the helping verb am. Then let's talk about the fifth and sentence, and this is a question. Am I disturbing you? Am I eating a lot? So wherever you see am, you remember that I likes to be with am only. So, and M likes to be with I only. So students, name the best friend of am, I. And five friends of is he, she, it, this, that. Now students, let's talk about are. Are. Now, our students, R has also got five friends. What are the name of five friends of R? We, they, you, these, those. R के बेटा five friends के नाम क्या हैं? We, they, you, these, those. ये R के five friends हैं and R likes to be with them only. And beta जैसे we have learned that is used with one person, one place, one animal, one object. R says no. I like to be used with many persons, many animals, many places, many objects. is बेटा singular के संग यूज करते हैं हम और R को many जो more than one होगा कहीं भी वहां पे हम बेटा किसको यूज करेंगे? R को. And five friends of R are we, they, you, these, those. R is used what? Many persons, many places, many animals, many objects. And you says I will only play with R and you is always used with R. R को बेटा you के संग बहुत अच्छा लगता है इसलिए यू जहां भी आएगा वहां पे आप कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करोगे? आर. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज द सेंटेंसेस. Sonali and I are participating in a quiz. Students, here Sonali and I, we are talking about two people, more than one. So we will be using the helping verb are. So Nali and I are participating in a quiz. Second, children are jumping into the pool. We are talking about more than one child. Children, plural. So with children, we'll be using the helping verb are. And instead of children, if there was the child, तो हम कौन सा बेटा helping verb use करते हैं? Is, because is used with one person and are is used with many persons. So wherever there are plurals, you will use are, and wherever there is singular, you will use is. Third, they are happy. Now, they is a friend of are. So, with they, we will always use the helping verb are. Fourth, we are punctual. We is also helping, we is also plural, more than one person, and friend of are. So, with we, they, these, those, and you, we will be using the helping verb are. So we are always punctual. Fifth, Kanika and Prabhata siblings. Now we are talking about two people, Kanika and Prabhat. So we'll be using the helping verb are. And siblings, I said, brother, sister, sister, sisters. Children of the same parents are known as siblings. Then sixth, you are disturbing me. Then you likes to be with are only, है ना? So with you will be always using are. You are disturbing me. Then there are various flowers in the Mughal garden. Now we are talking about various flowers, lot of flowers. So there are various flowers. Flowers is plural. So we'll be using are with many persons, many people, many animals, many objects. Now the eighth one. These tulips are pretty. And as I said, these, those, you, we, they. These are the five friends of are. Are likes to play with them. So we use are with these, those, they, we, you. So these tulips are pretty. So wherever these, those, these words come, you remember that are is used with these, those, we, they, and you. And then ninth, who are your siblings? With again siblings, can you see S in siblings? So we'll be using are for plural nouns. Okay. Now students, I'll once again revise the five friends of is. Five friends of is. Name the five friends of is. He, she, it, this, that. And M has got only one friend. M says, I like to be with I only. I am. I am. Then name the five friends of are. We, they, you, these, those. These are the five friends of are. So you need to learn the name of five friends. Then you'll never make mistake. Now students, let's do the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Abhi, before doing the exercise, let's once again try to remember the name of friends of is. Iske friends kaun se hai beta? He, she, it, these, those, and is used with all singular nouns. That is one person, one place, one animal, one object. And is used with one name of one person's also. And M has got only one friend, and the name of M's friend is I am. Then five friends of R are we, they, you, these, those. And R likes to be with many persons, many places, many animals, and many objects, all plural things. Now let's start with the exercise. The first one is, the vendors are selling popcorns. Now students, we are talking about vendors. Can you see the S in the vendors? So the S shows that the word is plurals. And who are vendors? Vendors, persons who carry the things and sell them on the streets and roads. They are known as vendors. So the vendors are selling popcorns. Here vendors is a plural noun. Why it is plural? Because it is having S. So R likes to be with all plural nouns. So we'll be using R. The vendors are selling popcorns. The vendors are selling popcorn. So please write R in the first blank. A-R-E, R. A-R-E, R. R is used with many persons, many places, many animals, many objects. Now let's look at the second example. Popcorns are so yummy. Now here also students, can you see the S in popcorns? This shows that the noun is again plural. So with all plural objects, we use the helping verb are. So popcorns are so yummy. Popcorns are so yummy. Instead of popcorn, you can use other things also. Burgers are so yummy. So wherever there's a plural noun, we'll be using the helping verb are. Now the third one. I dash going to buy popcorns. And S explain, I likes to stay with M. So wherever you see I, immediately try to recall. M का best friend कौन है? I है. So जहाँ भी बेटा I होगा और हम उसके संग कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? Am. I am going to buy popcorns. I am going to buy chocolates. I am going to buy lollipops. So I am going to write in my notebook. So wherever there is I, you always remember that you only have to use am. Now the fourth one. Today dash my birthday. Now today, now words are is, am and are. My birthday means we're talking about ourselves and हम तो एक ही हैं, तो my जहां भी होगा वहां भी क्या होगा? Is होगा, because is used with one person, one place, one animal, one object. So today is my birthday. Now fifth, I dash throwing a party. I का best friend कौन है बेटा? Am. तो I am throwing a party. I am throwing the litter in the dustbin. I am throwing a ball outside. So with I, you will use the helping verb am. Sixth, my friends. Students, look at the word friends. This is plural. My friends dash coming in the evening. So R likes to be used with many persons, many places, many animals, many objects. So with friends, we'll be using the helping verb are. My friends are coming in the evening. My cousins are coming in the evening. My parents are coming in the evening. So wherever there are many persons, we'll be using the helping verb are. Now students, the seventh one. They dash my parents. Now students, here the word they has come, and you need to remember R has got 5 friends. Name of 5 friends of R are we, they, you, these, those. So they is friend of who? R. So we'll be using R because they refers to more than one person. So they are my parents. So with they, we'll be using the helping verb are. Now, 8. We dash the winners of the Western dance competition. Again, student, remember V is the friend of R. V के 5 friends, R के 5 friends कौन कौन से हैं? We, they, you, these, those. तो we किसके साथ हम यूज करेंगे? कौन सा हेल्प इन वर्ब लगाएंगे? are. We are the winners of the western dance competition. Then ninth, what dash your name? Your name. We are talking about one person. What is your name? We are asking from one person, so we'll be using is, because is like to be used with all singular things. One person, one place, one animal, one object. Now students, the 10th one. Dash they your team members. Now students, can you see the word they? The 5 friends of R are we, they, you, these, those. So wherever you see these, you remember to write are. But now you need to keep in mind that a sentence, whether it's an interrogative sentence, a question sentence, or a simple sentence, that's a statement, we will always begin the sentence with capital letter. So here A of R will become capital. Are they your team members? Are they your team members? And if you remember the 5 friends of is, 5 friends of are, and 1 friend of am, then you'll try to do the exercises correctly. Now, 11. Dash is satisfied with you. Is इसका 5 friends में से एक कौन है बेटा? He. So, is he satisfied you? Again, remember the rule. Whenever we start a sentence, whether it's interrogative or statement, we always need to write it with capital letters. So, is he satisfied with you? Now, 12th one. It dash dark outside. Now look at the word it. It किसका friend है बेटा? इसका. इसके 5 friends कौन है? He, she, it, this, that. तो जहां भी it आएगा वहां पे क्या आएगा बेटा? Is. It is dark outside. Now the 13th one. How dash the weather? We are talking about one thing. How dash the weather? So we'll be using how is the weather? How is the weather? So आपको याद रखना है is used with one person, one place, one animal, one thing. Now dash it cloudy, it आ रहा है तो बेटा क्या आएगा? is. लेकिन you again need to keep in mind question mark के बाद new sentence start हो रहा है तो इसका I will be capital. जहां भी एक सेंटेंस खत्म होके हम दूसरा सेंटेंस बेटा स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कैपिटल होता है. अगर आप उसको स्मॉल लिख दोगे तो वो आपका रॉन्ग होगा. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर whenever one sentence finishes and we start with the next sentence, we always start with a capital letter. No, it dash sunny. Students, over with again it has come. It का किसका friend है? इसका. So again we'll write is. No, it is sunny. So the full sentence will be how is the weather? Is it cloudy? Answer is no, it is sunny. There are 2 questions and then one answer in one sentence only. How is the weather? Is it cloudy? No, it is sunny. Now the 14th one. My teeth. We are talking about more than one tooth. हमने tooth तो बोला नहीं, हमने क्या बोला? Teeth. And tooth is the singular noun and teeth tooth का plural है. So my teeth are strong but my sister's teeth are weak. हमारे teeth तो strong है but my sister's teeth are weak. तो teeth के लिए हमने कौन सा word use करना है, कौन सा helping verb use करना है बेटा? are. क्योंकि R says he likes to be with many person, many places, many animals, many objects. Now students, the 15th one is Amjad and I dash scared of dogs. Students, now you need to remember this. Before the blank I is there, but before I Amjad is there. So Amjad and I. बेटा हम more than one person हो गए. अगर only I होता, single I होता, तो आप M लिखते. But we are talking about two people. Amjad and I. Anamika and I. Chetan and I. Anirudh and I. Aditya and I. रुद्र एंड आई. तो ये सारे बेटा कितने पर्सन हो जा रहे हैं? टू, मोर देन वन. तो जहां भी वी हैव स्टडीड कि आई सिंगल होता है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर ओन सेल्फ. बट अमजद एंड आई क्या हो गया बेटा? मोर देन वन पर्सन. तो इधर हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? और. अमजद एंड I are scared of dogs. Amjad and I are playing in the garden. Aditya and I are reading a book. तो बेटा जहां पे दो लोग हो, I के पहले अगर एक नाउन हो तो हम उसको टू प्लूरल मानेंगे. तो विल बी ऑलवेज यूजिंग आर. ये आपको थोड़ा याद रखना है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, हाउ डैश यू. बेटा यू किसका फ्रेंड है? आर का. तो यू के साथ क्या लगेगा? कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब? आर. हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. नाउ 17, डैश हेमा इज ग्रेट डांसर. अब बेटा यहां पे थोड़ा सा प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. इसको प्लीज कट and write a. और हेमा, we are talking about one person, तो is likes to be used with one person, one place, one animal, one object. तो हेमा के संग हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? is. But then you need to remember, when we'll be starting a question or a statement, we always begin with a capital letter. तो हमारा is का I क्या होगा बेटा? कैपिटल. सो इज हेमा अ ग्रेट डांसर. बेटा जो प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है उसको आप इसको क्रॉस करिए और उसकी जगह आप क्या यूज करेंगे? अ. नाउ 18, माई बस डैश लेट टुडे. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑब्जेक्ट. माई बस, हम एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? इज. माई बस इज लेट टुडे. 19, the school dash closed. We are talking about one school. So the school is closed and the school is really closed due to lockdown. So please stay at home, stay safe. The school is closed. Now 20. Today we are going to Pratapgarh farm. Now look at the word before our we. And as I said, R के 5 friends कौन हैं? We, they, you, these, those. So जहां भी we आएगा बेटा आपको कौन सा helping verb use करना है? R. Today we are going to Pratapgarh farm. But this is the first sentence and the second sentence of 20 is it. It dash a beautiful place. It है, it के संग कौन सा helping verb आएगा? Is. So again we'll revise. 5 friends of is he, she, it, this, that. M का एक ही फ्रेंड है, कौन है वो बेटा? I. लेकिन I के अगर पहले कोई नाउन होगा तो हम उसको प्लूरल मानेंगे. I अगर सिंगल होगा, अकेला होगा तो M आएगा. You keep this in mind. And R के 5 friends कौन है बेटा? We, they, you, these, those. So I hope now you'll be able to solve the exercises on your own also. Now, fun time. Decode the messages by taking the first letter of each picture. अब बेटा हम लोग थोड़ा सा गेम भी खेल लेंगे, है ना, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ. अब डिकोड करना है. डिकोड करना है मीन्स वी हैव टू ब्रेक द कोड. अभी आपको बेटा फर्स्ट पिक्चर किसकी दिख रही है? नेस्ट की. तो नेस्ट का हमने क्या लिया? एन. सेकेंड पिक्चर इज ऑफ एग. विल टेक द ई ऑफ एग. Third picture is of van, so we'll take V of van. Fourth picture is of elephant, so we have taken E of elephant. And the fifth picture is of rose, so we have taken R of rose. So अभी इन pictures का first alphabet लेके we have got the word never. Now let's come to the second row. First is picture is of watch, so we have taken W of watch. Second picture is of apple, so we have taken A of apple. Third picture is of ship, so we have taken S of ship. Fourth picture is of tiger, so we have taken T of tiger. And fifth picture is of I, so we have taken E of I. And when we combine all the alphabets, we get the word waste. Now, the next, let's come to the third line. We have taken Y of yak, then O of orange, U of umbrella, can you see? And R of rabbit. So, which word we'll get? Yawn. Now, in the last picture, we'll take T of tree, I of igloo, M of monkey, and E of engine. So, we'll get the word time. And together, now if we combine these words, what will be the sentence? Never waste your time. And students, this is very true. You should never waste your time. Please utilize your time wisely. I hope the now words, the helping verbs is, am, are clear to you. And if you remember the 5 friends of is, 1 friend of am, and 5 friends of are, you will be able to solve the exercises correctly. Now I want you to see a small video on the friends of is, am, and are. And once you see the video, you will understand it better. Students, please complete Unit 6 in your English grammar books.
Hello kids! Today we will learn about am, is and are. Kids, ये तीनों auxiliary verbs हैं जिन्हें pronouns के साथ use किया जाता है. So let's understand the use of am, is and are. Kids, am को हम सिर्फ I के साथ use करते हैं. is को हम singular pronoun के साथ use करते हैं. यानी one person, one animal, one place and one thing. Singular pronoun like he, she and it. पर you जो कि singular है उसके साथ are को use किया जाता है. are का use plural pronouns के साथ किया जाता है. यानी एक से ज्यादा person, place और thing. Plural pronouns like we and they. इस am, are को और अच्छे से समझने के लिए चलो मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाती हूँ जिसमें 3 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हुआ करते थे जिनके नाम थे are, is and am. पर एक दिन अचानक तीनों में लड़ाई हो जाती है और वो तीनों न्यू फ्रेंड्स बनाने के लिए एक पार्क में चले जाते हैं. पार्क में पहले M की एंट्री होती है और वो सबसे पहले U, V and they के ग्रुप के पास जाता है, पर वो तीनों दोस्ती के लिए मना कर देते हैं. फिर वो मायूस होकर it, he and she के ग्रुप के पास जाता है, पर वो भी M से दोस्ती नहीं करते. फिर M सैड होकर I के पास जाता है और I M से दोस्ती कर लेता है और फिर वो दोनों साथ रहने लगते हैं. उसके बाद इस पार्क में आता है. वो भी सबसे पहले U, V and they के ग्रुप के पास गया, पर उन्होंने इससे भी दोस्ती नहीं की. फिर इस स्लाइड पर बैठे it, he and she के ग्रुप के पास गया. He, she and it ने इसको अपने ग्रुप में शामिल कर लिया और ये हमेशा साथ रहने लगे. लास्ट में R पार्क में आता है और वो सबसे पहले I के पास जाता है, पर M I को R के साथ खेलने ही नहीं देता और गुस्से में कहता है, जाओ किसी और के साथ जाकर खेलो. फिर R स्विंग्स पर झूल रहे U, V and they के ग्रुप के पास गया और U, V, they ने R के साथ दोस्ती कर ली और वो तीनों R के बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए और हमेशा साथ रहने लगे. सो इस तरह से M, is and R को अपने न्यू फ्रेंड्स मिल जाते हैं और वो तीनों अपने न्यू फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहने लगे. So kids, एम का बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई है, इसीलिए आई एम। आर के 3 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, यू आर, वी आर एंड दे आर। ये तीनों आर के बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, इसीलिए आर के साथ यूज होते हैं। इसी तरह से इस के भी 3 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, ही इज, शी इज